Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a sticky header using Astra Site Builder. Okay, as you can see, we made a custom header here that's particular to our shop catalog, and if we went to our home page, we could see that we have a different header here. But since this is a custom site builder header, right now, we haven't configured it to be a sticky header. So in order to make it stick, let's go back to the site builder where we made it, head over Astra, click on site builder, and that should take us to the site builder catalog, and then find your header under the header section. And you can see that we only have one here, so let's click on edit. And now we should be on the block editor for our header over here. And on the right hand side here, over the Astra settings, you can see that we have the layout type and the sticky settings. Click on this drop down menu here, click on enable sticky header, and we can enable the shrink effect. We can choose to make it sticky on desktop and mobile, and desktop or mobile, and mobile, excuse me. But since we want to make it a bit more responsive, typically it makes more sense to have your header sticky only on desktop. If you had it on mobile, mobile as well, it might take up too much space and it'll be very difficult for our users to use our website. So once we have this enabled, to make it sticky, click on update, and it should update and upload the changes to our site. Once our layout's been updated, let's double check by refreshing our shop page here, or any page, and watch what happens with our header. It now sticks. So there's a short and simple video for you, how to set up a sticky header with your WordPress Astra Site Builder custom header. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.